Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both videos. Make sure each is vertical and trimmed to the moment you want. Once done, open TikTok and tap Upload. Select your primary clip first, then the secondary clip. Make sure to keep key actions centered so it won't get cropped when you split the screen. While selecting, note durations. TikTok limits may truncate longer clips, so plan for final length. Hit Next to enter the editor. That's where you turn two separate clips into a two-screen arrangement. Now you craft the two-screen effect inside the editor. Tap Effects, choose Split, then pick the two-screen layout you want, side by side or top and bottom. Next, use Pinch to scale and drag to position each clip so faces and actions align. Once positioned, trim or stretch timing by adjusting clip edges or changing playback speed to match beats. Make sure audio is intentional. Disable one clip sound if it conflicts, or add a single track so both visuals finish by adding titles, captions, or stickers. Place them where they don't obscure important action on either screen. Once done, always preview the full video at least once to confirm audio sync, visual balance, and readable text. Export or post when satisfied. If you notice cropping, reopen the editor and adjust scale or position. If audio clashes, mute one clip or replace with a single audio track. One key troubleshooting tip. If split choices disappear, restart the app and re-import. That often restores editor effects.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.